I'd like to speak a little bit about the law of attraction. And there are many people who believe that if you think that you are prosperous, then that will attract prosperity to you. And there is a truth in that. But there's also a flaw. Because the prayer needs to be, as it is for my best good. Allow me to attract, bring the things to me that will fill me and be for my best good, for my greatest future, for my greatest truth. The law of attraction is not about becoming prosperous financially. It's about being prosperous emotionally, spiritually. It's about growing and becoming. Yes, the law of attraction is an absolutely real thing. We attract to us things that resonate vibrationally like we do. So if you're greedy, you'll attract greedy people. So if you're generous, you'll attract generous people. It is important to understand that the law of attraction is working all the time and always has been. And you are in control of you. You are mind, eternal, infinite mind. You are not physical. And this is a message I share in many ways at many times. But the truth is that you are connected to all that is. You're connected to not only people, but things. You're connected to thoughts. You're connected to mind. And as mind, you can manifest things that are for your greatest good. But it is about intention. It needs to be intention for the greater good. It needs to be intention for our joy. It can't be driven by fear of lack, fear of not being prosperous financially, fear of not having things. That cannot be the intention that you embrace to produce a positive outcome through the law of attraction. This may be self-evident, but it needs to be said that you must be grateful, humble, generous, kind, loving, and you will attract that to you. And you'll be surrounded by people who share those qualities. Fear, hatred, greed, those are lower vibrations. Those are things of the physical. Those are things you do not need to, nor do you want to attract to you. They will always exist. But you don't have to have them in your life. Anyway, I hope this makes some sense to you, and I'm glad that I'm able to share. I wish you love and joy and great prosperity on all levels. God bless.